Alright, now I got this. So these two enemies come from Extreme Rules for the WWE World Heavyweight Championship. So let's start with AJ Styles, this phenomenal one. So AJ Styles comes from his t-shirt. It says, "I am phenomenal." Now the shirt in the front says AJ. I like that head sculpt, but I like his hairstyle. And I really like his attire, AJ Styles. Next, we got the big dog. It's his yard now. The Intercontinental Champion, Roman Reigns, from the Shield. So, Roman Reigns comes with his attire with back at Raw, where he partnered with